Now for the most important part of MyFavorito, redeeming promotions and earning money for sports clubs. Using the MyFavorito mobile or web app, your fans and members can earn money for your club by redeeming promotions. There are many different types of promotions. In today's example, we will use a paper-based code. When your fans spend money with a MyFavorito partner, they will receive an action code, like this paper-based code. Your fans scan the code, select your sports club, press OK, and the code is redeemed. Once a fan redeems a promotion and sends the money to your club, the partner is now connected with your sports club. When they are connected, they will appear in your community. You can see their activity and promotions. All the stores in your community will also appear on a map, so your fans and members can easily locate them.